photodiode.
This model is used for light detection. The function of these diodes is that due to light radiation, electrons and holes are created in them. This action creates a current in the circuit. In other words, it can be said that photodiodes have the opposite function of LEDs. Photodiodes are usually used in reverse biased conditions so that the very small current induced by the light radiation can be easily measured. Photodiode applications include light detection sensors, optical communications, and solar cells.